my lord, I'll submit, is very flimsy. You are saying somebody escapes in Bavianspoort, therefore let's punish Mr. Ncube for that. Because for me, that's a sort of punishment. No rational reason is given except to say there was an escape in Bavianspoort, my lord. I'll leave it at that, my lord. But I wanted to point that the period is not indefinite, my lord, for the removal of the protections, even the leg irons themselves. And there are certain areas where leg irons are not even allowed, my lord. As the court pleases.
Yes, sir.
My lord, in respect of accused number 5, Mr. Ntuli, he's also kept in Kgosi Mampuru, my lord.
It's on kept what?
In Kgosi Mampuru.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, my lord. He also has the same complaint, my lord, that he has been attending this case since 2022, when we started this matter, my lord. And at all times when he was attending court, these pets have always been put on him in order to prevent the injuries that are caused by the leg irons, my lord, to the ankles. And it is only today, this morning, when he was told that he is not allowed to use pets anymore, which he has been using since the inception of this matter. He has never been informed of any reasons behind the decision that has been taken by the area commissioner. The reason, which has been explained to this court by Mr. Matlala, my lord, has never been communicated to Mr. Ntuli. Above that, my lord, I submit that even if it's the reason that Mr. Ntuli should be punished or penalized for someone who escaped from another prison, my lord, that communication I have requested as the legal representative of accused number 5. I've requested that communication for the area commissioner from Mr. Matlala to say, give us the communication, whether it's an internal memorandum, whether it's an email, the instruction that has been given, so that we can be able to apply our mind and take the instruction, because someone's right is affected by such decision by the area commissioner, which is the constitutional right of the accused before this court, my lord. My lord, accused number 5 says he is also affected by this decision to such an extent that he can't concentrate, my lord, on the proceedings because of the pain that is caused by the leg irons when he's moving. The distance that he's moving from the cell to the car and from the car inside this court premises going upstairs to this court, my lord, which also makes more impact on him. My lord, the decision, the accused number 5 is affected by such a decision, and therefore we ask, my lord, that a directive be given to the correctional to continue in supplying the protective pads that have always been provided for the past 3 years, my lord, in order to protect such inhumane or such injuries that are occurring to the legs. My lord, also, if there is someone, if we're to apply our mind to the decision that has been submitted before this court, it means if there is someone who is escaping from another prison, then other prisoners from other center will have to be punished or will have to be penalized. That decision, my lord, or such occurrence, it is irrational, it's unlawful, because it has no basis. There is no profound or proper reasons placed by the area commissioner as to why these accused should be affected by such an escape. my lord. And we have not been informed as to how many, we have not been informed if there are any other measures that can be put in place in order to ensure that the escape does not happen, other than the decision that has just been taken by the area commissioner. Therefore, we submit, my lord, that the decision by the area commissioner is unlawful, is wrong, and inhumane, and it is unacceptable. Lastly, my lord, the manner in which the accused number 3 has been brought before this court undermines the justice system of this country. He cannot be dragged by the group of warders, dragged up to this court in such a manner, my lord, as we have been told that he has been dragged out from the cell because pads have not been provided for. So the substitute that has been put is to get these big men to come and lift him up and bring him in court. It is inhuman to us. It is affecting us also as well when we see such occurrence happening inside in court, my lord. Therefore, it is my submission, my lord, that the decision that has been taken by the area commissioner, my lord, is unlawful, is irrational, and is wrong. It cannot be accepted, especially in this case, my lord, that is affecting the client's concentration in order to concentrate during the trial, my lord. I submit, my lord, that the accused number 5 also is unable to proceed with the trial because he's affected by such occurrence. Those are my submissions, my lord. Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Nomalo.
No, I have nothing further to add.
Now consult your client.
Minor?
Go and consult your client also.
I must approach him.
Yeah, I want to hear
Oh, all right.
what he says through you.
I'm instructed, my lord, that he's got the pads on. He's got the pads on, so he's got nothing to add on what has been said, except to say that he was upset this morning because his co-accused, accused number 3, was pulled, I think, from the cells downstairs to court, and he then informed him that it is going to be the manner in which this process is going to be ongoing. In each and every time that he's going to be brought to court, he's going to be pulled from the cells to court. And again, my lord, if you can look around this courtroom, there is more than 15 members of the Southern Police Services combined with members of the Correctional Services. So this issue of escape, it doesn't take the matter any further. There are so many members of the Correctional Services here. How can one escape in the presence of so many members of the Correctional Services? More than 15 members who are present in this court. Accused number 3 has been wearing these pads for the past 3 years. For the past 3 years. Not only in this court, when he first appeared at the Boksburg Magistrates Court when they were making their first appearance in this case, he has been wearing these pads for so long. Why today, the 21st of July, 2025, is then prevented from wearing these pads? It's gross violation of his rights in terms of Section 35 of the Constitution. So I think the court has to intervene for the sake of progress in this matter, to allow the accused to continue wearing these protective pads for the sake of seeing progress in this case. That is all, madam. Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Baloyi.
As a quick please, my lord, our submission is that the section 31 that Mr. Ramasepile referred to that deals with the use of mechanical restraint is not applicable here. It's not about mechanical restraint, it's about the use of the patches or the sponges. My lord, we are told, and we've just confirmed this with Mr. Matlala, that the use of sponges, it's not ordained by correctional services. It's something that inmates themselves make. So once again, my lord, it will boil down to, is it a right, is it a privilege? And I think perhaps it's a matter that should be decided on affidavit, keeping in mind the discretion that an area commissioner has on such matters. I don't know whether it's something that we can just resolve here, my lord. There has to be a formal application, and the matter then properly ventilated as to the use of these pads, which, as we've mentioned, my lord, are made by the prisoners themselves and not provided for in the Correctional Services Act.
Sorry, the application to the complaint we lodged to the judge who's in charge of those issues. It's a section?
Inspecting Judge of Prisons.
Yeah, inspecting judge. It's a section?
Is it the one dealing with the inspecting judge? Or?
Yeah, the inspecting judge. Apparently you can lodge a complaint.
Yes, yeah. We just have to quickly verify that. My lord, what I could quickly find out is that in terms of section 111 of the Correctional Services Act of 1998, it empowers the Judicial Inspectorate for Correctional Services to inspect and report on conditions of detention and the treatment of inmates at correctional facilities, conduct investigations, and handle inmate complaints. So it appears that if the inspectorate, the Judicial Inspectorate for Correctional Services has to be involved, they must be informed, and then they will then have to come and make an investigation.
Where is his offices? That camera, is it?
It's obviously the head, my lord, is Justice Edwin Cameron,
Yeah,
the inspecting judge. I would imagine, my lord, that he should be based in Cape Town. It's something, my lord, that we need to verify. But maybe Mr. Mathala can just quickly help us in this regard.
yeah,
As-
where's Mr. Matlala?
as
Who's
to
the head of the prison? It's
It's Mr. Koza,
Koza.
the area
Is
commissioner.
that Koza? Where is he? Is he in his, he is present today.
Yes, but he's serving a consultation today.
Ah. And you say he issued this order? Yeah. Okay, thanks. Yeah, I'm going to suggest all the accused must lodge a complaint with Judge Cameron. You'll see how you fashion it through your representatives, your legal representatives. In terms of, as you say, Section 11, is it?
111.
111, yeah, 111. Subsection?
My colleague says it's section 93, my lord.
93.
Yes, 93. And I see that there is an office here in Centurion of the Judicial Inspectorate for Correctional Services.
Yeah, fine. But it is addressed to the judge himself, is that not so?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. I suggest that should be done because Mr. Koza will come and tell me that people escaped and this is his order. So we must go to the highest authority in the country, Judge Cameron. Mr. Mnisi, what do you suggest? I think I'll make an order now that your client should lodge a complaint and address it to Judge Cameron, okay, about what you told this court.
That is proper, my lord.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, I'll still be struggling to get instructions.
Yeah,
from you.
in the meantime, we adjourn.
Thank you, my lord.
If it happens when Mandela is resuscitated, fine.
Yes, thank you, my lord.
Mr. Ramsipi, the same applies to you, okay? Mr. Ngumalo, the same applies, okay? Ms. Mshalor. So you'll all lodge complaints to the judge.
Sorry, my lord, I'll be lodging a complaint on behalf of accused number 3.
You don't?
I'll be